Today I will discuss the packing efficiency. Packing efficiency is defined as the percentage of total space occupied by the constituent particles present in a solid is known as packing efficiency. That is, packing efficiency is the percentage of total space occupied by the constituent particles present in the solid is known as the packing efficiency. It is denoted by cap eta. Eta. It is formulated as eta is equal to volume occupied by the constituent particle divided by total volume of the unit cell. Since it is the percentage, so it is multiplied by 100. It is the formulation of packing efficiency. It is calculated in different unit cell in same manner. Packing efficiency for simple cubic lattice. Cubic lattice. It is the unit cell of this lattice is formulated as the constituent particles are located only at the corner of the unit cell. In this way and in this way. If age length of the unit cell is equal to A, radius of the constituent particle A will be equal to R. So A and R, the distance from here to here will be RAA. It is the age length. So the distance from here to here is also the A, since it is the radius and it is also the radius. So the figure shows that A is equal to 2R. A is equal to 2R. Now volume of the cube will be equal to A cube, that is 2R whole cube. It will become equal to 8R cube. Since there is only one particle in the simple cubic lattice, so volume of the whole cube will become 8R. Volume of the cube 8R cube occupied by the constituent particle only one. We know volume of the occupied space will be equal to 4 by 3 pi R cube, as it is the volume of one particle which is spherical. Since volume of the sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi R cube, so volume of the particle occupied by the constituent particle is 4 by 3 pi R cube. Now packing efficiency for this case will be equal to 4 by 3 pi R cube divided by 8 R cube into 100. When this formulation is solved, we will get 52.36%. This is the volume occupied by the constituent particle. Now the empty volume of the unit cell will become 100 minus 52.36, that is 47.36 47.64. Now we want to calculate packing efficiency for HCP. In HCP, constituent particles are located at each corner of the unit cell. As well as center of the face. Suppose this point is assigned as A, B, C and D. The distance from here to here is equal to A. So this distance is also the A. This distance is also A. From here to here, this is the R, this is the 2R and this is the R. So AC is equal to 4R, which is the diagonal. Now triangle ABC, AC square will be equal to BC square plus AB square. AB is equal to A, so AC square will be equal to A plus A, that is AC square is equal to 2A, or AC will be equal to root over 2A. Since AC is equal to 4R, so 4R will be equal to root over 2A. Or A is equal to 4R upon root 2, or A is equal to 2 root 2R. Now volume of the cube will be equal to AQ, that is 2 root 2R whole cube. 2 root 2R whole cube. Since volume of the particle which is spherical is equal to 4 by 3 pi R cube. Since there are 4 particles, so volume occupied by the particles E will be equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi R cube. Now packing efficiency will be calculated by 4 into 4 by 3 pi R cube divided by 2 root 2R whole cube into 100. When this value is solved, we will find 74. It is the volume occupied by the constituent particle, and volume empty will become 26%. Thank you. In next video we will discuss the packing efficiency of body centered unit cell.